When the heat bears down, Mother Nature doesn't tend to supply enough water for tree survival, so they need help staying hydrated. Now that the summer is in full swing, watering your trees is key to keeping them healthy. Adding mulch is an effective way to keep the soil around your trees cool and help retain moisture during and after watering sessions. Mulch is especially helpful to this end during the summer when temperatures are at their warmest. Applying mulch is important for conserving moisture, but has other benefits as well, including protecting them from weeds and providing a slow release of nitrogen that helps trees grow. Professional tree care during the summer will help ensure that your trees flourish in your landscape. The tree care experts of Arbor Image Tree Care are dedicated to keeping your trees strong and beautiful. Contact Arbor Image Tree Care online anytime or by calling 405-815-7959.